So guys, today we are going to discuss about the trades, the positional trades that we will take from tomorrow till the end of this month. Just to recapture last week when we discussed the different criterias basis which we will select the stocks, they will stay the same. So we had different criterias like the stock should be in clear long and medium term uptrend. The stock should be in momentum. There has to be a good consolidation layer of participants. Then the stock should follow a valid technical price pattern. Then the price should decrease on low volume and the price should increase on high volume. We also talked about relative strength of stock with respect to the sector and with respect to Nifty. And finally, of course, the most important thing that the risk reward should be favorable. Also, the time frame in which we expect the stock to move to our intended price, that should be minimal. That should not be a very huge waiting period. All right. So what I've done is, basis all these parameters, I have selected a set of stocks and I have put in the entries on the same sheet which I had shared last week. Last week, the tab was 31st May to 30th June positional stocks. I have added another tab in the same Google Sheet and put in my recommendations of stocks that will be taken tomorrow, and the positionals will be valid till the end of the month. I'll just take a few examples of stocks that we have shortlisted and the reasons why we have shortlisted them. Okay, so let's take one example, say CDSL. Okay, I'll just walk you through it. So now, say CDSL. Okay, the reason I've selected this stock is because CDSL is following a certain. So if we have to go through the multiple criteria, the first criteria is that the stock should be in a long-term uptrend, which CDSL definitely is. And CDSL number two is also in a medium-term uptrend. That's number two. And if you see, all the rallies are on strong volumes and all the falls, the red ones, are on low volumes. Okay, so that the criteria is also met. Then CDSL is definitely much stronger as compared to Nifty. Even if you look at last 3 months performance, the stock has risen by somewhere from 550 to now, from 600 to now 973, which is a good 40% rise. And Nifty in this entire duration have risen by hardly like 3-4% or so. So this stock is definitely very much stronger as compared to Nifty. In terms of technical pattern, this is following a certain pattern which is rally, base, rally, base, rally, base, rally, base. All right. So currently it is forming the base, and we believe that whatever historical performance or behavior this stock has shown, it will continue to show that till the time the stock structure is broken and the price maybe closes below this big green candle. I'll just mark it to you. So till the time price closes below this level, the structure is maintained. So what we plan to do is probably take a trade maybe somewhere here, okay, somewhere in this range. We will take the trade. Okay, I'll just draw a level. In this price range, 950 to 975, we will take this trade and we expect the price to rise from here. So I'm going back to my sheet, and if I look at CDSL, then if you see, against all the parameters, I have marked CDSL where it stands. So yes, 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 pattern type, yes. Then I have also put in the entry price for this, the stop loss percentage range, target, risk reward, and time frame. So all those things are already there in this sheet. You can just go back to the sheet which I shared in my earlier videos, or I will put the link to this sheet in this video as well, so that you can readily refer to it. All right, we can take one more stock. Let's take example of Eveready. So in my sheet, I have put in Eveready. Okay, and if you see, the stock is in a long-term momentum. You can see the price has risen from 80 last year to now 334, which is a good 4 times. And even in a medium term, the stock has risen reasonably well in a 3-4 months time frame or so. However, for the last 2.5 months, the stock has been consolidating, and currently it stands at a breakout level. And that's the reason why we have taken this trade, because it is at a breakout level on daily charts. All right. So we also believe that the reason the chances of breakout is high is because this stock has been consolidating at this level for like last 7-8 sessions. So we will put our SL below this. All right. So this will be the this will be the price range wherein we will put our stop loss, and we expect the stock to give a breakout from here and to rise from here. Okay, so that's the thing with Eveready. And if you see all the parameters this stock has been successful at, even the volumes, the rise is on very high volumes, the fall in price is on comparatively lower volumes. Again, the rise is on high volumes, the red candle size is smaller. So volumes are intact, the long term uptrend is intact, the medium term uptrend is intact, the stock structure is fine, and also there is a good consolidation layer here, and the volumes are rising while the stock is about to give a breakout. So all the conditions are met. Even the risk reward is favorable. The risk is in this case is just around like 7 to 8% or so, and our target is going to be like around 20% odd. All right. So if we enter at 325, our target will be around 400 something, 400 plus plus. So that's where we stand. So I have just given you two examples. You can refer back for more stocks. This is a list of around like 12 stocks or so, and you can check out yourself, and you can refer back to the sheet to take your trades tomorrow morning according to the prices that we have put in. And that's pretty much it. And I wish you all the best, guys. Uh, do some homework, pull out charts of different stocks that we have put in here, and later on, as and when the week will progress, we can always measure our performance. So if we have to measure performance, then this is a sheet. So we will have the closing price, we will have the entry price here, we will have the end of week price. We can always calculate what money we invested and what profit and loss we are making week on week. So that's where we stand, guys. And I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for your time and patience. Good luck.